Okay, so tomorrow, so today is a snow day, and tomorrow, and in 2 days, is also going to be my birthday. Now, I am very excited to be to be alive in a new year, but I'm not excited for the snowstorm because snow blocks our paths, snow blocks our travel routes. And it also makes it hard to fish and stuff. Now, I don't know if y'all heard, but there's a disease going around in the deer population. And it's called zombie deer virus. I think it's a hoax. Okay, I don't believe it. I think it's wrong. I think it's inaccurate. I don't think it's real. Okay, but you guys think what you want to think. YouTube is a place where you can share your ideas. I just don't think it's real. Okay, people tell me certain things, and then I later find out it's a hoax. So, what am I supposed to think? Am I supposed to go, oh, zombie deer flu, oh god, the world's dying? No, I'm not. This is not what my channel is about. My channel is about bringing hope to those who feel like they're out of it. And my videos are designed to help get out of whatever slum they're in, whatever time they're going through. If they're going through adversity, trouble in life, trouble with parents, trouble with friends, they can look to me as a light in the darkness. And I really hope to see that one day. To see that to hope that people actually start helping me out here.
That doesn't work. Grow spell. We grow the can, and then the gas inside will grow with it. Elbows up. Try to focus here. Finally, we did it. It worked. The can is huge, and the fan is huge, and you're. Oh no.
Anyway, sorry I got distracted. There is a lot of things that channels are designed to do. Like, gamer channels are to help out gamers. Makeup channels are to help out makeup people. And some of them are just other stuff. Like GotchaTubers, they don't have a theme. They just want to make a video. Anyway, this video is dedicated again to anyone who's facing adversity, anyone who's going through trouble in life. Please, I will be your shot in the darkness. I will be the light of your dark. And always keep smiling, even though you feel like you're losing hope. Please keep smiling. Peace out. Oh my god. Never mind. I'm trying to do something cool.